DevOps was supposed to simplify the things. But in the enterprise world, it often feels that complexity is winning, such as multi-cloud confusion, priority alerts, compliance reports, security alerts, or any other mishappening. Enterprises don't need more tools. They just need a smarter strategy to scale DevOps. Hi everyone, this is Sachin Agarwal. I came up with my new book named as DevOps for the Enterprises, Scaling for the Next Gen Revolution. In this book, I have talked about how large organizations can overcome these challenges practically and effectively. From automating infrastructure to embedding AI and machine learning into your DevOps pipeline. This book is your perfect blueprint for your organization. If you are driving transformation, building platforms, or breaking silos, this is the book you have been waiting for. Ready to scale for the next generation? Grab your copy now. Link in the description below. Thank you. Let's elevate DevOps together and scale up with Sachin.